let's discuss media and information sources. What are the types of information sources? First, primary source. Second, secondary source. And the third, tertiary source. Primary source is an original, uninterpreted, or first-hand material of information created by the person directly involved in an activity. It provides people closer look on the original ideas, and it is more valid and reliable. For example, diaries, letters, interviews, photographs, video and or audio. Secondary source. It provides an information obtained through a number of primary source and has undergone in editing or interpretation. It discuss information or details originally presented in another source. And last one, tertiary source. It consists of some summaries and collections of both primary and secondary sources. Formats of information source. It is print and non-print. Where to find information sources? It is in library, a means of access to information, ideas, and works of imagination. Library provides easy access to reliable and essential resources for research. Second, Internet, a global network that allows computer users around the world to share information for various purposes. Compared to a library, with the Internet is more accessible and more convenient to use. And the last one, indigenous media. A form of media conceptualized, produced, and circulated by indigenous people as vehicles for communication, specifically for cultural preservation, cultural and artistic expression, political self-determination, and cultural sovereignty. That's all. Thank you.